Hi there, it's Miss Mason here, and today we're going to be sorting letter sounds. We have the letter R, S, and M, and we have pictures here on the side that we're going to sort into letter sounds in which they start with their beginning sound. Let's look at our first picture. This is a star. What sound does star start with? Is it a rar, a star, or a mar? It's a star, so it starts with the letter S. A sock. Does sock start with s, or m? Sock starts with S. Rabbit. Is it a rabbit, a sabbit, or a mabbit? It's a rabbit. And our last picture is a mouse. Does mouse start with R, S, or M? It starts with M. Mouse. Now let's sort these pictures. F, A, E. F, A, E. Frog. What sound does frog start with? F, A, or E? F. Apple. Apple starts with A. Egg. Egg starts with E. Ant. Ant starts with letter A. Great job. Now let's sort these letters. B, C, O. B says B, C says K, and O says Ah. This is a picture of a ball. Ball starts with B. This is an octopus. Octopus starts with Ah. Letter O says Ah. Caterpillar. What sound does caterpillar start with? C. And a balloon. What sound does balloon start with? B says B. Great job. Let's do one more. We have D, G, H. D says D. G says G, G. And H says H, H. This is a horse. What sound does horse start with? Is letter H. Game. What sound does game start with? Is letter G. Dog. What sound does dog start with? Is D. And a house. What sound says letter H? Great job! You did an awesome job sorting letter sounds.